All right, I'm here with Natalie. And
Hey,
today,
guys.
we're going to show you what the Bangalore office looks like.
All right, let's go.
All right, we just walked in. There we go. There's Raj. How we
Good
doing?
morning, Raj.
Good morning, team. Got some new team members here. Here it is. This office actually looks bigger than ours. And
It is
yeah, say hi
bigger,
everyone.
isn't it?
I think
Good
so.
morning, everyone.
And
Oh,
the best part about this office, wouldn't you say, Natalie, is
so the chairs.
the chairs
And the foosball pit.
and the foosball.
Mitch and I tried our hand yesterday. We got beat
Twice.
twice
With
after
a
leading by a 4-point lead. It wasn't good. It wasn't good. But we're coming back.
But we're coming back.
Coming back.
So here we
He's
go.
also great.
Oh, these are
They're like,
phenomenal.
kind of like half. After lunch chairs. That's what
Yep,
we're calling
after
them
lunch
here.
chairs. And we've got all these nice meeting rooms. And then all the offices. I think this one's Belvier's. Very nice. Smells like success. And this one I think is Haresh's. Yep. And there we go. Abhinav, how are you? Yes. Oh, Naveen too. And
This is where all the good stuff happens in this office here.
Right here.
Yep.
This is it. And another little office.
Anything you need in there, right?
And this is an award-winning office right here.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Now we're going to show you the roof. Here we go. All right, Natalie, where do we go next?
We're gonna head up to the cafeteria.
The
Got an awesome
cafeteria.
rooftop.
Let's go see it.
This is where we catch up. Tons of spots to sit and eat as a team. Little ping pong in the corner.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
This is my favorite.
And the best place to enjoy the beautiful weather of Bangalore. And look
Overview
at
of the market, or I mean the metro.
You got a metro station
Yeah.
right there. So that's it. That's the Bangalore office in a nutshell. Hope you enjoyed.
Awesome.